Hi guys, this is Rolf from Tesla Owners US, and today is the previous last day for unlimited supercharging for your friends.
I pressed insane. I went insane.
And people are receiving a car, and people receiving their Model 3 or their Model S, as you can see it from there. And they have it here outside, and some folks are coming and picking up their car. That's great. Oh, and then as you can see now, it's gonna be shipped on Sunday. They have an extra tent here on Sunday, and they are shipping. They're shipping probably up to 4 o'clock. So plenty of cars there. There's actually an extra generator. Let's go there, where you can supercharge basically. Here. Let me go over here. Here's another one. It's an external drive bay. That's gonna be pretty warm. You need to do an explanation in the car, because today it's gonna be 108. And that's why they built that tent extra for that. I think that's another tent solution for shipping cars. Cars are being shipped out. Here's the bay area, customer signing, and then they're receiving the car. They're taking it from there in the staging area, signing papers in here, and then coming out to the door and receiving the car here. That's the silver one he said he's getting. That's the one over there at the corner. You would not believe it, but they really also grow out this place. And they grow out this place, and they hope that they can ship more. But you know, the tent seems to be the common solution there. And they are shipping. They keep shipping. And here's another one. It's a white interior. Blue with a white interior. That could be nice for me as well. And everybody's picking up their car. My referral code, and you get free supercharging for life of the car, and that really lasts long.
I pressed insane.